when you reach the minimum threshold, you will be paid directly to your Bitcoin wallet address. Hello everyone, welcome again. This is your boy Aki with another latest way to make money with. If you want to get passive online income video or how to get money from home, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, and also smash the like button and get ready for the video. If you have comments, suggestion or question, let me know in the comment section. Keep watching up to the end so you don't miss any steps. Today we will see how can we pay through receiving SMS. I have placed a link in the description below. If you touch that, you will redirect to the browser and you should have to download the Money SMS application. As you can see, I have installed it, and when you go to the application, as you can see, you get paid 0.02 euro for each received automatic SMS sent from our system. And next, run the app in the background and wait for our SMS to arrive. Make sure that you have good internet connection and always remain online. When we touch start, then we will land on the login page, and there is sign up button at the bottom. When we touch the sign up button, we will have to fill our country, select our country, and fill our phone number. Please check whether your phone number is eligible for registration. Allow Money SMS to make and manage phone calls. Then it will detect screen overlay and open the setting and permit the application or Money SMS to draw over other apps. You can find it in the setting, and then you will have to submit your mobile phone number. Check if it is eligible. If your country is not eligible for this app or too many users are in your country, it will say registration unavailable. At the moment, we have enough users in your country. If you want to know first when registration for your country is available, subscribe to update. Then subscribe for update. You can touch the subscribe for update button. Important, we allow only limited amount of active users per network. If your network is currently not available, please do not send us email request to allow new registration. Then subscribe for update. Touch the subscribe for update button and you will redirect to, or you will land on the page. Please enter your email. Then enter your email for update. But if your country or phone number is eligible for making money through this application, you will be redirected or land on this page. It will wait for SMS. You get paid 0.02 euro for receiving SMS from us. Please keep the app running and stay connected. Stay online to earn money automatically. You will receive automatically an SMS, and for each SMS you will get paid 0.02 euros. When you touch balance tab on the bottom line, you will get the balance on your wallet. I have 0.35 euro. Income from received SMS 0.1 euro. Income from referral 0. Minimum withdrawal amount is 2 euros, and you should have to set the payment method. You will get it in setting, and also account information, referral program, language. You can see them in the setting, and you should have to adjust your payment method. My payment method is, as you can see, it's Bitcoin. You should have to bring your Coinbase or Faucet Pay Bitcoin wallet address to this application and submit it. As you can see, my Bitcoin wallet address is submitted, and when the app sends an SMS for you, it looks like this. As you can see, this is one of the SMS I received from this application. For every SMS you received, you will be paid 0.02 euro, and then when you reach the minimum threshold, you will be paid directly to your Bitcoin wallet address. So that's it everyone. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you how to earn. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Stay cool and have a great day.